Welcome to the SeedLinked Platform. Thank you for being part of our community. We appreciate your participation. Today I'm covering how to make a planting from a wish list so you can begin to review your garden with SeedLinked. We recommend watching our previous video, how to use the Seed Explorer, compare varieties, and create a wish list, and then try building your own wish list before diving into this video. First off, I want to encourage you to check out the SeedLinked apps on the Apple Store or Google Play. The apps allow you to use the platform on your smartphone or tablet while on the go. Let's get started. Log into your SeedLinked profile and go to the Explore tab. On the left, click on a wish list that you'd like to make into a planting that you can review. While on your wish list, select the varieties that you'd like to track and create a planting with. Then on the left side, select the New Planting button. This takes us to the 4-step process for creating a planting. Step 1. Finalize the name, location, description, and the varieties in your planting. Once you have finalized these details, click Next in the upper right. Step 2. Pick traits that you'd like to evaluate in your planting. Pick as many or as few as you'd like. We have found that the top traits that are important to growers are yield, flavor, and disease resistance. We encourage you to pick one or all of these traits to evaluate. Once you have finalized your traits, click Next in the upper right. Step 3. Invite other people to your planting. If you are the only person involved in growing and reviewing this planting, feel free to only include your email. You can add other people from your household or farm to review this planting separately from you by adding their email to the list, and they'll be invited to the planting on their SeedLinked profiles. Once you have finalized who is part of your planting, click Next in the upper right. Step 4. Finalize your planting. Review everything you have entered in each category. Feel free to go back and edit. Once you have all the correct info, varieties, traits, and people added, click Publish in the upper right corner. Now that your planting is finalized, you can find it on the Track tab. On the left-hand tab, click on Plantings. You are welcome to search your plantings by crop type. As you can see, the planting I just created is right here. Additionally, there is a shortcut for making a planting if you already know what you're going to grow and don't need to search for seeds with our Explorer. It is located on the Track tab. Click on the New button in the upper right. This will take you to the 4-step process for creating a planting mentioned previously in the video. Please note that you must choose your crop type before adding varieties to the planting. So that is how you make a planting from a wish list so that you can set up and review your garden. Be sure to check out our next video on how to review your garden. Every rating you add to the SeedLinked platform powers our Seed Explorer and helps our collective growing community find the right seed. If you are having any problems with your profile, please reach out to us at help@seedlinked.com. If you have any feedback on how to make the platform better, share your ideas with us at feedback@seedlinked.com.